Thutha wa gwetererwo gwa kahinda, ngwataniro ya NASA wa keri ni yanirire mwerekera wayo thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kwanirirwo ta muhotani wa githurano kia Joko. Na ndumiriri-ini iyo, NASA yugite ati ndegutambura utongoria wa Uhuru na munini wake William Ruto. NASA ikiuga ati Uhuru na Ruto matinathurwo na njira iria yagiriire.
To reiterate that this election must not stand. If allowed to stand, it will make a complete mockery of elections and might well be the end of the ballot as a means of instituting a government in Kenya.
NASA irauga ati githurano kia Joko gitinatabanio na njira ya waragania, makiuga kurari na mahingica kwanjiriria mehariria nginya muthia.
Supreme Court ordered a repeat election held in compliance with the Constitution and the law. The order has not been complied with. It must be. It is in our best interest that we do so sooner rather than later.
Kumana na uguo, NASA yugite no eguthie na mbere na mirurungano ya kuregana na utongoria wa Uhuru na Ruto na kuhinyiriria githurano kingi kia upresident gitabanio.
The resistance movement shall be responsible for implementing a vigorous positive political action program that includes economic boycotts, peaceful processions, picketing, and other legitimate forms of protest. If there is no justice for the people, let there be no peace for the government.
Oho NASA yugite ni ikumba kamiti ya mwanya iria ikurehe hamwe andu matiganite niguo guthingata mogaruruku na njira ngurani.
We announce today the establishment of a People's Assembly. The People's Assembly is the vehicle through which we will exercise the solemn duty of restoring democracy, constitutionalism, and the rule of law.
Maina wa Wairegi, Inoro TV.